out your name. You know that I'm falling and I don't know what to say.
Looking for a townhouse that offers space and storage without that extra maintenance? I've got you covered. Hi, I'm Varsha and welcome to Riverstone.
With you everywhere. I wanna be with you, wanna be with you.
3 bedrooms, generous living area, excellent storage throughout with additional storage in the backyard and garage, all complemented by 6.6 kilowatt solar panels installed already for you.
Baby, you better make a start. You better make it soon before you break my heart. I wanna be with you everywhere. I wanna be with you everywhere. I wanna be with you. Wanna be with you everywhere.
A smart opportunity in a growing location for first home buyers and investors. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at the open home.